Mastering the art of prepositions in collocations. The key to advanced English proficiency. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of advanced English vocabulary, specifically the realm of collocations. We'll be focusing on a critical aspect that often trips up even the most dedicated learners: the use and misuse of prepositions within collocations. Remember, prepositions may be small, but they're mighty important in making your English sound natural and fluent. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's refresh our memories about what collocations and prepositions are. Collocations are words that often go together naturally in a language. They could be combinations of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and prepositions. Now, prepositions, small words like in, at, on, of, and so forth, play a crucial role in these collocations, as they connect words together, showing relationships between them. It's essential to learn collocations, as native speakers use them frequently. However, remember, the preposition that matches a particular word might not be the same in every language. It's one of the areas where direct translation can lead you astray. Now, let's look at some of the most commonly used prepositions in English collocations. Some of these might surprise you. 1. At. We often use at when referring to a specific time or location. For example, at 3 o'clock, or at the bus stop. It's also used in phrases like good at, or look at. 2. In. This preposition is typically used for non-specific times and larger locations. For instance, in the afternoon, in Europe. Plus, it's used in phrases like believe in, or interested in. 3. On. We use on for days and dates, like on Monday, on my birthday. It's also used in phrases like depend on, or insist on. 4. Of is a versatile preposition. We can use it to show possession, the color of the sky, or use it in phrases like afraid of, or consist of. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many other prepositions with varied uses in different collocations. Misusing prepositions in collocations is a common mistake that can lead to confusion and sound unnatural. Here are a few common mistakes. 1. Wrong preposition, interested on, instead of interested in. 2. Missing preposition, afraid spiders, instead of afraid of spiders. 3. Unnecessary preposition, look at to the stars, instead of look at the stars. Be mindful of these mistakes, practice, and you will be able to avoid them. There you have it, a primer on prepositions in collocations. It's a tricky topic, but mastering it can take your English to new heights of fluency. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these prepositions in your daily conversations, and you'll become more comfortable over time. Keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. That's all for today, folks. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, keep having fun with English. Until next time.